Ba sa kanya, hindi ka very strict sa kanya when it comes to the whole rules?
No, because we're in the same industry, we're in the same agency, we work in Viva Max, we expect good things to happen, and we support each other.
We asked Nico before the press con started, sabi niya parang he didn't, it was not very strict with you when it comes to your roles, your respective roles on the films. So ikaw din ba sa kanya, hindi ka very strict sa kanya when it comes to the whole rules?
No, because we're in the same industry, we're in the same agency, we work in Viva Max, we expect good things to happen, and we support each other. Yun lang yung nagmamatter for both of us, is just to support each other.
And you just returned this morning?
Yes, we just returned this morning like 9 a.m. So.
Kasi di ba may mga love scenes ka, gumagawa ka ng mga erotic scenes. Napapagkwentuhan mo na nyo ba ng boyfriend mo yung mga limitations mo, gano'n, yung mga do's and don'ts sa mga ganun eksena?
Ano ba?
Napagkwentuhan nyo ba ng boyfriend mo, Nico, yung mga ganun eksena?
Actually,
Kung may limitations, do's and don'ts sa love scenes?
Parang hindi naman kami nag-uusap about our limitations. Pero ang rule namin together is not to watch the sexy scenes. Yeah, that's it. That's our rule together.
So even ikaw, hindi ka manonood ng mga movies niya parang?
No, hindi namin pinapanood yung mga sexy scenes namin together.
Selosa ka ba?
Ha?
Selosa ka? Are you the type of
No. Very supportive ako na her and very understanding.
That's nice.
Just kidding.
Nagulat din kami nung parang naging public yung relationship ni Nico. Because when you were, I think starting mga 2 years ago, you were so naive. Parang ganun ang tingin namin sa'yo, you were so naive. Tapos parang very conservative dahil sabi mo may kapatid kang pulis, ganyan na parang takot sa mga maniligaw. Paano nakapasok si Nico sa iyong pamilya, sa ganang conservative ng pamilya?
Ako yung pumasok.
Ikaw pumasok.
Ginil ko yung buhay ni Nico.
Okay.
Kasi gusto ko mag-change. Just kidding. No, siguro, hindi ko alam parang biglang dumating. So, parang I'd say na biglang may changes na dumating sa life ko. And for me to experience more, to explore more, to grow more. And nakita ko yun sa kanya, to that person. Because I was an introvert person before. But then when I met that guy, natutunan ko na makipag-socialize sa ibang people, natutunan ko na mag-stand up for myself, speak up for myself, na parang ayoko mag-stop sa parang old me na self ko, na kasi parang naisip ko, what he told me na marami pang magandang experiences sa life ko na darating. It's on me na lang kung paano ko siya haharapin. And sabi niya sa akin na we all have a choice. So, pinili ko yung choice na yun na i-open siya for my life. So, I can explore more.
Okay. Paano naman yung reception ng pamilya niya sa'yo when you went to Canada?
Yung family niya, sobrang bait ng family niya. Wala akong masasabi sa family niya kasi they raised him really well, and sobrang love ng family niya si Nico. So, more on nung nagkaroon kami ng time or bonding together with the family, mas nakita ko yung love sa kanilang lahat, na like strong yung family nila and palaging love yung sinushow nila to each other. So, okay naman sila. Like,
Okay, thank
very
you.
welcoming.